Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still think this is most likely the end of an ABC correction. If that's the case, this first move down would be a 1, this would be a correction 2, that move down like a wave 2, and most likely it eventually is going to go down, make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. So let's head down to that weekly time frame, which is where I switch back to the dollar index, the FXCM. So on this one, I think this is very clearly a downtrend, wave 1. I think this is an uptrend for the A. I think this is a WXY for the B. And it looks like an uptrend for the wave C. We are at the 61%, but there really is still no proof that this is over yet, that the wave 2 is complete, and that we are going down for a wave 3. It very easily could go up to the 78% and maybe even further. So let's head down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame is where you can really see the higher highs, higher lows that have been making up this uptrend. Really, there's no significant break of structure to the downside, and I think this is trying to form a lower high right here. And if that is a lower high, that could be an early indication that this is the end of an ABC or the end of a trend, and that it could be getting ready to go down and break structure to the downside, which to me would help prove that this whole move to the upside is complete and that we are back into a downtrend. So let's head down to that 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here with impulsive down, with a break of structure. I think that the right at the 78%, I think this made a lower high, and that helps prove with this break of structure that this is now going down and that it might even keep going down and breaking this structure, which this structure break I think is going to prove on the daily that we are back into a downtrend. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I mean, this to me definitely looks like a trend. And then I think this move up is going to end up being a correction. It is going down pretty strong right now. It could have already ended a correction at the 38% fib. I am definitely looking for shorts. I think it could even turn into a 1-2 and eventually go down and make a 3 and go down and break structure to the downside like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So for me, I would really like to see this move down, making a golfing candle like that to really help prove that that is the end of a correction. Until that happens, I can't really say for sure that that is the end of a correction or not. But I do think that it is going to end the correction at one of these fib levels if it doesn't end it already, and most likely end up continuing the downtrend, possibly for wave 3, just like I was showing. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.